I'm pretty sure I just cursed myself the other day when I gave you guys that clickbait and said I broke my camera, because I actually just did something today. Yeah. What's up, everybody? I am really excited for today's episode because I am going to release what I posted on Snapchat for those of you who don't know, and I'm really pumped to show you what that is. It's basically involves the whole weekend, and yeah, let's get to it. Hey, what's up? Me and Marcus are doing drone stuff out here. You better stay tuned for the rest of the episode. There's gonna be some cool footage, and watch for this weekend because I'm going to New Orleans tomorrow morning. I'm pretty sure I just cursed myself the other day when I gave you guys that clickbait and said I broke my camera, because I actually just did something today. Yeah. I broke my propellers, and then you'd look at the drone and you'd think, oh yeah, it's good, but no. There's a tiny crack right there. I know, you can kind of see it. Maybe if I get behind it. Yeah, you can see it right there. Yeah, I gotta send the drone in. Awesome.